if your dishwasher won't drain properly, check the check valve. There's a good chance that it's old. The rubber's worn out. Take out, there's 4 screws. I already took them out. I believe they're 1/4 inch. Remove that cover. Get a pair of pliers, loosen this up, unscrew it, and then just check the little rubber piece on here. But as you can see, it just gets a bunch of junk on it. This wears out right here, and then it won't let it drain. So what's happening is this spring gets tension when the solenoid underneath forces the water back. The pump will then pump up that hose into the back there, and then this check valve is supposed to then go up, and if it doesn't seal well, then the water will just keep running through and it won't be able to pump it up and then out through the drain. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take this new one, screw it in back here. We'll reinstall this cover, and then we should be good. It should be forcing the water out that drain hose back this way instead of letting it come back up through here.